Hi people, I got this really cool Barbie movie RC car. Look at it. That's so cool. Like it's pink and like you can RC it around, I guess, with the little controller. So I gotta get this out of the box and find out how it works, because this is gonna be a fun one. Maybe. All right. Oh, almost dropped y'all. I've been waiting for this for a while. How cute! Nice. Okay. And then cut it open. That would be cool. Get it cut open. Oh wait, that really, I was just trying. Okay. I really should learn how to open up things better, but oh, look. It's a little remote. It says Barbie on it. Hot Wheels RC. Oh, that's so cool. Look. Oh. How do I get this out? Oh, that's how I get it out. I have to open up these little nodules, whatever the hell you call them. And then, wow, they've really upgraded the Barbie packaging since I was a kid, because it used to be those twist ties and they were just god-awful to get off. So this is pretty cool that they've got these little things that just snap off, except they're kind of taped on, so they're still a little difficult, but nothing like the freaking twist ties that they used to have back in the olden days. Back in my day, everything was packaged with little twist ties. Okay, this should come out now, hopefully. Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay, it's got pink wheels too. What? That's so cute. Oh, it's only a rear wheel drive, I think, because this one and this one's just like, okay, so it's not a 4-wheel drive, but it's still pretty freaking cool. And they even got the little seatbelts in there, because you should always wear your seatbelt so that you don't die, because that would be bad. Oh man, it says Barbie on the front. What? Let's see what's in the trunk. Hopefully there's no dead bodies in the trunk. Then that would really take the new movie to a different twist. Oh, there's nothing in the trunk. So we gotta find some junk to put in Barbie's trunk. I also need to figure out how to, oh man, is this gonna, man. Y'all, I need a little teeny tiny screwdriver, so I guess I'm gonna go figure that out, and when I figure it out, I will show you more. Thanks for watching my cute little Barbie car.